CRPF hariba force asi law and order ngaknaba khakkidamak leibanate CRPF ki maikaidigisu miyamga afaba mari thamduna pangba yaba mateng pangnaba amasung leiba asibu amatta oina punsinduna mapangal kanna leihanabagi thabak thoram kaya paikhatli haina 34 CRPF battalion ki commandant P Kharmuzaina phongdorakli Wafamasi IG CRPF Manipur Nagaland sector ki mithieng makhada kuntramari suba CRPF battalion na Social Empowerment Alliance Society ka kusamna na pangthokiba civic action program da phongdokibani Imphal ki ahanba Manipur Rifles ki ground da pangthokiba thoramaduda Kharmuzai na makha taraduna CRPF ki civic action program asi chawrakna chahi kunmanga suraklei lisang sitna pangthokna papandam thamli thorang asi ki makhada khunai asi ki miyam da mateng pangduna miyam ki punsi mahing fagatna bahonari Masigi mathakta khunai asida haurakliba nahasingki haisingba sing khangdoktuna pangba yaba mateng pangnaba masung nupi singbu senthok lambi leihanabagidama mateng pangli haiki Thoramadu da hanba Manipur Rifles ki commandant KH Sarmasu Sarukyaduna Imphal gi Jail Road all Lambulan dagi Khangalaba beneficiary tarada sewing machine khusinakrai
We are thinking like livelihood, help the society, to help especially the self-help group. So I hope from now on, we will try to reach out to the society, especially the young, the youth, like sports activities, and for the ladies who are the housewife, and then we want to help them, we want to reach out, how to stand in their own feet, how to start their own, startup, like we said, a startup, to become an entrepreneur.
Pandam dugi makhada pibira iba machine singsi sizinaraga punchiro lama nauna honabida makta hena chawkhatpa hena mangzil thaba nungaiba yaipaba oibiu